Hi everyone, this is Anagha and this is the demo for Project 3. The project aims to create a dream classroom in virtual reality. The starter code for the project was already provided to us, which consisted of the walls around us, the structure of the classroom, the screens on the classroom, the desks, the tables, ceiling, lighting, and the doors of the classroom. There's a background sound around the desk which is of a page turning, which will be heard later when I'm demonstrating animation of the humanoids. There are several small objects on the desk which have gravity and colliders, so they will fall when dropped. Also, when they collide with each other, so I can pick the laptop, I can move it around, and since the objects have colliders, they will fall when they hit each other. Also, I can move the laptop around and I can drop it. Other than the professor, there are four students in the scene which have their own default animation, which they change when you go near them, and they also say something.
Hey buddy, wanna listen to a joke?
I am busy. Can we talk later? Oh, hey there, what's your name?
Hey, what's up? Anything I can help with?
There are many large objects in the scene. There is a printer, there is a speaker, there is a dance floor because this is supposed to be a recreational classroom, recreational fun classroom. There is a vending machine, there is a recliner if seats are not your thing. There's a foosball table, a normal table, an espresso machine, a projector, and finally there is a desktop computer. You can touch the desktop computer with one of your hands using the controller, and the screen of the desktop turns on and it turns off when you release the controller again. You have the espresso machine, clicking on which releases a cup of coffee, which is very required when you are a student, let's be honest. So you touch the espresso machine and you get the cup of coffee, which can be again grabbed around, move with it. It has its own gravity and colliders, so you can grab the coffee mug and you can move around just like that. Along with the default white lights provided in a scene, I have added four DJ lights to go along with the party theme. So I have added four spotlights, uh, which are yellow, green, blue, and red. So when the lights are turned off, they look pretty cool. There's the dance floor, there's the speaker, and the lights go along with them pretty well. But when the lights turned off, it actually looks like you can have a party over here. So the switches for these lights are on the other wall, and the top switch turns on the lights and the bottom switch turns off the light. So pressing on the top switch turns on the light and pressing the bottom switch turns off the lights. The user also has the ability to shrink down to a very small size and then view the world from that scale. Now, the key bindings for the controller are provided on the top left when we enter the controller mode. So there are two key bindings for button 1 and button 2, that is E and R. So when I press the E button, I shrink down to the small size where I can see the world from that scale. And when I press the R key back for button 2 on the controller, I come back to the normal size.